Okay, so we have this battery charger here. This is going to charge the Dewalt style batteries. This is going to charge 10.8, 14.4, and 18 volt batteries. 10.8, 12 volt. That's what I'm charging with it today. You can see, got my 12 volt battery here. And I know I got a crazy amount of lights in here. Hopefully you guys can see, I got a little red light there letting me know, as you can see right here, pack charging. You can see this is the Dewalt battery. So obviously it works. And a nice, I got 2 bars right now. So it wasn't dead or anything like that, but yeah, I lost the charger for this. So a brand sent me this, do a review over. I said, yes, I definitely need that. I lost my charger. If this thing works for it, it'll save my drill. I haven't used this drill in so long, just because I was like, well, if I don't want to kill the battery on it because I'm not going to be able to charge anymore, battery's going to get bad because it'll be dead. And this is my lighter drill. I got some heavier drills. You can see this one's nice and small. I use it for overhead stuff. And I'm so glad I got my charger back. So if you need a Dewalt charger for all the 3 different sizes, this one's not bad. And you can see this thing's pulsing now. Whenever it's full, it's going to be solid. So that's pretty much all there is for this charger. I just have it plugged into the wall right here, nothing fancy. It's got a little handle on it, which is in the right directions because it's not going to fall off because they're all face down, locked down that way. So you can carry it around. All in all, you know, works just like it should. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.